Hello, this is our BrakeMate Junior Plus. This machine also comes with laminated sheets that tells you the operation of the machine. The first thing I want to just go over is, this is the vacuum sealed canister here. So the brake fluid that you put in here, whenever you're using the machine, it pulls this cavity into a vacuum so you don't have to worry about your brake fluid going bad. And it's also got a flapper valve in the bottom of it, so when the machine gets down low enough, not out of fluid, but low enough, the flapper valve will shut the machine off. It'll have an audible beep to let you know that the machine's out of fluid, and also this red light on front of the panel here will also come on and flash at you to let you know that you're not out of fluid, but low on fluid. One thing you got to remember on this machine is that this is a filter screen right here for the suction pump. So if you get to the point to where you can't get any suction through the machine, unscrew this filter, clean this screen out, put it back on, and you should be ready to go. If by chance there's enough particles that pass past this screen, I'm sending out some flush nipples with the machine. So basically what the flush nipples do is goes between your suction side of the machine and the new fluid side of the machine. So you'd hook the machine up to 12 volt, make sure there's brake fluid in your reservoir, hook your nipple in between these two hoses, and dial up pressure. Turn your machine on to exchange. It will ignite the suction pump and also the new fluid pump, and then just dial up some pressure to flush new fluid through your suction pump to rinse it out, and it will get your machine back up and going again.